પાણી ન પીવે બે બરાબર એ બધી જે કુદરતી આવે છે એ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ધ હ્યુમન ફંડામેન્ટલ બેઝિક હ્યુમન ઇન્સ્ટિંક્ટ. Imitate, because I give the one example to you. Our little baby can learn through the imitation. Even in the beginning stage of that in infinity, he don't know about that. But what is the meaning of the word? But just it is, he can imitate it. નાના છોકરાને બાળપણમાં શું કરે, નકલથી શીખે છે, એને ખબર જ હોતી નથી કે આ શબ્દનો અર્થ શું થાય, પણ એક પાપા પાપા they can use that word. I just have to read the one joke. જોક હમણાં વાંચીને આવ્યો. લીલી એના પતિની ફરિયાદ કરતી હતી મગરને, જો કહું છું ને તે મને નામ લઈને ના બોલાવો, શું થયું પણ તારે નામ લઈને બોલાવો, આપણો છોકરો છે ને એ પણ મને લીલી લીલી કહીને બોલાવે છે, તો કંઈ વાંધો નહીં, તો કાલથી હું તને મમ્મી કહીને બોલાવીશ. આવતીકાલથી તને હું મમ્મી કહીને બોલાવીશ. લીલી વોઝ શોક. લીલી શું કીધું એમ? વોટ હેપન ધેટ? ઇટ ઇઝ ધ little baby was imitated. It નકલથી શીખે. It was a human instinct. A man cannot live without imitation. મારા imitation વાળા એનામાં શક્ય નથી. Those and second say that what and here Aristotle reinterpreted, because Plato whatever there, imitation means blind photographic copy of the thing. પ્લેટો શું કહે છે કે ભગવાનના જે આઈડિયા આપો એને બેઠી નકલ કરવી જોઈએ તો જ એ આઈડિયા એબ્સોલ્યુટ ટ્રુથ જળવાઈ રહે. એમાં જો ફેરફાર કરો તે સત્ય રહેતું નથી. એટલે ઇટ વોઝ બ્લાઇન્ડ ઇમિટેશન. પ્લેટો શું કહે છે? બ્લાઇન્ડ ઇમિટેશનની વાત કરે. હિયર એરિસ્ટોટલ reinterpretation of પ્લેટોનિક કોન્સેપ્ટ ઓફ નિમાન્સી. એરિસ્ટોટલ શું કરે છે? પ્લેટોએ ઇમિટેશનનો કોન્સેપ્ટ આપ્યો હતો, એનું રીઇન્ટરપ્રિટ કરે, પુનઃ અર્થઘટન કરે છે. એરિસ્ટોટલ શું કરે છે? એનું પુનઃ અર્થઘટન કરે છે. Aristotle did not mean imitation means photographic reproduction, not same to same copy of the it. Aristotle does not belong to that concept of Plato's that a blind copy of thing. Aristotle does not mean a photographic copy of it, because here he can give that those how can the imitation is always quite different from that, because imitation how we can analysis here in that. Here I have something here that imitation has a three types of the three category, three concept. Imitation based on the three concept. Imitation we can say it is based, because we cannot, imitation is the common principle of all finance. Common principle of all finance. Okay friend, common principle of imitation is any arts acting. So we can imitate a general person, but we can say play the role of the king. He imitate the king. We can say painting. He can imitate the natural scenery of the painter. Imitate the natural scenery, and whatever he can draw, whatever he paint, he can imitate. Sculpture, silk. A writer, we can sculpture. Yes, he can make the imitation of any image, and he can make that. In any fine art, we can acting, painting, poetry. It was also one of the art. And all things are imitation. Everything are whatever, dear friends, they are the imitation, and they are imitation of the, we can say that imitate of the three things. Our first one is the medium of imitation. Because common fine arts have required the medium imitation. So okay, we can say that man can either, he can imitate the medium in the sense we can say that men are represented, imitate medium whatever that. Either we can say that object. Here we can say that medium imitation means he can which medium he can select it. We can say in a painting there are different medium, art, poetry. We can say in every field there are different medium. And then we get medium is a madhyam. The imitation of the thing was quite different from in each and every arts. દરેક ફાઇન આર્ટનું માધ્યમ શું હોય? અલગ અલગ હોય. First one, the medium of imitation is different in every fine arts. Second, object. In the we can discuss about it. In the nature painter object, the natural scene. we can say that in poetry or literature, man is the object. Man is the object of imitation, and sometimes man, they can imitate the man better than him or worse than him. And we can give the example: imitation in the object, imitation object in comedy. The man, what the real man is imitated in the worst level, and in tragedy man imitate then is better level. આપણે જો ઓબ્જેક્ટ શું હોય, માણસ એ સાહિત્યનો ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે. મેન ઇઝ ધ ઓબ્જેક્ટ ઓફ ઇન્ટરવ્યુ. નહીં કે મેથ્યુ આર્નોલ્ડને યાદ કરો, પોએટ્રી ઇઝ ધ ક્રિટિસિઝમ ઓફ લાઈફ. લાઈફ એટલે કોની? માણસની જાણ. અને એ બેટર રીતે રજૂ કરવામાં આવે છે અથવા ખરાબ રીતે. કોમેડીમાં ખરાબ રીતે રજૂ કરવામાં આવે, ટ્રેજેડીમાં સરસ રીતે રજૂ કરવામાં આવે છે. એન્ડ થર્ડ વન ઇઝ ધ મેનર, વે ઓફ એક્સપ્રેશન. પેઇન્ટિંગ હેઝ અ કેનવાસ, brush, and writing has the language. In the way of the language, they can represent, just like Homer represent the human being, a dramatic manner. Here is the way that man expresses the dramatic manner. Here we come to that. For example, here that's why should not in the photographic image or these three men, medium, object, and manner differ the imitation from? Here they differ the imitation from blind imitation, because we can know about the image of nature is quite different from drama. Whatever that, the real man, the real human being in movies, films, we can see serials or TV serials, or we can drama, performance of drama. Whatever that, there was a, we can say that the acting of the king or acting of the any particular person is a quite different from the real one. For example, you can say that Shakespeare historical drama. Henry IV, Henry III, and these are which are two. These are the historical drama of Henry. But other tragedy, those are the king. We can say that portrayed by the character of the king in the drama, they are different from the real king. It is a better than real king or worse than real king, because Shakespeare was not made the blind copy of or imitation of the king. He made the creative reproduction of the art. He made the, we can say that, he made the reinterpretation of the imitation. He may interpret the new concept of the, we can see here, I can say that here, Aristotle give a new dimension to the word imitation. It does not mean photographic reproduction. It is often said that drama hold the mirror up to the nature. Drama a side સમાજનું દર્પણ છે. The image of nature we see in drama is very different from image of ourselves we see in the mirror. નાટકમાં જે વ્યક્તિનું પાત્ર હોય છે, આપણી જાતના પાત્ર કંઈક અંશે અલગ હોય છે. The kings we comes across the history books are different from the king we see in Shakespeare play. શેક્સપિયર નાટકના રાજાઓ એ ઇતિહાસના પુસ્તકના નાટકના રાજાઓ કરતાં ઐતિહાસિક નાટકના ઐતિહાસિક રાજાઓ કરતાં અલગ હોય છે. Poetic imitation for according to Aristotle, poetic imitation is imitation of imitation of inner human action, not outer human action. Plato put trace on outer human action. માણસની બાહ્ય ક્રિયાનું નકલ કરવાનું કહે છે. એરિસ્ટોટલ શું કહે છે? એરિસ્ટોટલ કહે છે કે ઇમિટેશન ઇઝ ઓફ ઇનર હ્યુમન, માનવીને આંતરિક જે હોય એની નકલની વાત કરે છે. અને Aristotle, according to Aristotle, I quote, his interpretation of imitation is also his own. It is by no means an illusionary copy of life or twice removed from reality. Aristotle imagination is not illusionary copy. એક બેઠી કાલ્પનિક કોપી નહીં, અથવા રિયાલિટી કરતાં બે ઘણી દૂર એ નથી, બટ imaginative version of it. But he can use a poet, dramatist, we can say that artist of any fine art can use his intellect and seeing the universal in the particular, comedy no less than tragedy and epic, and in this way he can express not photogenic copy of it, but he can express his reinterpretation copy of the it. And that's why according to the Abercrombie, one of the critic, he can say that Aristotle's way of interpretation, poetic imitation, is possibly the most valuable of all contribution to aesthetic theory, because Aristotle belonged to the Saundaryatmaka aesthetic theory, Saundarya theory manto. Okay, in the conclusion we can say that Aristotle is Plato's imitation is blind copy of it, and Aristotle imitation is reproduction of we can say that reinterpretation of imitation with intellects. Okay, you can remember that two things, man. Aristotle books Poetics and Theory of Imitation, Plato's book Republic and Theory of Art and Poetry. Thank you. Goodbye.